A common concern about plant-based vegetarian diets is that they may not have enough protein. However, many experts agree that a well-planned vegetarian or vegan diet can provide all the nutrients you need. Interesting to note that some plant-based foods have more protein than animal-based sources. Wondering which ones? Stick around with parshealthTV channel to find out. Number 8. Tofu. Tofu is made from soybeans. Soy is a complete source of protein. This food provides all the essential amino acids the body needs. Tofu is produced from a paste-like substance extracted from soybeans. This material is pressed together in a process similar to cheese production and produces tofu cheese. Tofu does not have a particular taste, but it quickly absorbs the flavor of the added ingredients. Tofu has a texture similar to meat, so it can be a suitable substitute for meat. Number 7. Lentils. Lentils are one of the sources of protein for vegetarians and vegans. Cooked lentils are an excellent source of protein, with 18 grams of protein per cup, 240 milliliters. This food can be used to prepare different foods. From all kinds of salads to delicious and spicy soups, lentils are made all over the world, which, in addition to their great taste, are also very nutritious. Besides, the type of fiber found in lentils feeds the good bacteria in the colon and ensures your gut health. Also, lentils may help reduce the risk of heart disease, diabetes, overweight, and some types of cancer. Lentils are also rich in folate, iron, and manganese. They have a significant amount of antioxidants and other beneficial plant compounds for the body. Number 6. Peas. Peas contain high amounts of protein per serving. Additionally, several studies show that a diet rich in peas and other legumes can lower cholesterol, help control blood sugar, lower blood pressure, and even reduce belly fat. If you haven't subscribed yet, please subscribe to our channel and press the notification bell. Now, let's dive right into the number 5 on our list. Number 5. Hemp seed. Every 28 grams of hemp seed contains 10 grams of protein and is easily digestible. The protein in hemp is 50% more than in chia seeds and flax seeds. Hemp seeds contain significant amounts of magnesium, iron, calcium, zinc, and selenium. In addition, hemp is an excellent source of omega-3 and omega-6 fatty acids with the proper ratio for human health. Some studies show that the type of fats found in hemp seed can help reduce inflammation and the symptoms of premenstrual syndrome, PMS, menopause, and some skin diseases. Add some hemp seed to your morning smoothie or muesli and eat it. It can also be made into yogurt and homemade salad dressing as well. Number 4. Soy milk. Milk produced from soy and enriched with vitamins and minerals is an excellent alternative to cow's milk. Soy milk not only contains 7 grams of protein per cup, 240 milliliters, but is also an amazing source of calcium, vitamin E, vitamin D, and vitamin B12. However, remember that soy milk and soybeans do not naturally have vitamin B12, so choosing fortified varieties is recommended. Soy milk can be found in most supermarkets. This product is highly versatile and can be used by itself or in various cooking and baking recipes. Number 3. Oats. The other oats are an easy and delicious way to add protein to any diet. Half a cup, 120 milliliters, of dry oats provides you with approximately 6 grams of protein and 4 grams of fiber. Also, oats contain good amounts of magnesium, folate, phosphorus, and zinc. Although oats are not considered a rich protein source, they have higher quality protein than other common grains such as rice and wheat. You can have oats in a variety of recipes, including oatmeal and vegetable burgers. You can also put oats in flour and use them for baking. Number 2. Chia seeds. Chia seeds are obtained from the salvia plant, which is native to Mexico and Guatemala. With 6 grams of protein and 13 grams of fiber per 35 gram serving, chia seeds definitely deserve their place on this list. In addition, These small seeds contain reasonable amounts of iron, selenium, calcium, and magnesium, as well as omega-3 fatty acids, antioxidants, and other beneficial plant compounds. Chia seeds have a unique taste and turn into a jelly-like substance by absorbing water. This feature makes it possible to use it to prepare all kinds of smoothies and puddings. Number 1. Nuts. Nuts, seeds, and products derived from them are excellent protein sources. Depending on the type of nuts and seeds used, every 28 grams contains 6 to 7 grams of protein. In addition to iron, calcium, magnesium, selenium, phosphorus, vitamin E, and B vitamins, nuts and seeds are a great source of fiber and healthy fats. Besides these features, nuts and seeds also contain different types of antioxidants. When buying nuts and seeds, keep in mind that roasting them can damage the nutrients inside. Therefore, try to choose their raw varieties as much as possible. Also, use more natural nut butter, for example, peanut butter and pistachio butter, and avoid industrial varieties that contain added oil, sugar, and salt. What is the difference between plant-based and animal-based protein? About 20% of the human body consists of protein. Protein is not stored in the body like other substances such as fat and carbohydrates. You have to eat protein to supply it. Some people claim that there is no difference between these two protein sources. Others argue that plant sources are more suitable than animal sources. When we consume protein, the body breaks it down into amino acids. In general, 20 types of amino acids are used to make proteins. These amino acids are of two categories, essential and non-essential. The human body can make non-essential amino acids. Still, essential amino acids must be obtained through food. Animal proteins such as meat, egg, fish, and milk have all these amino acids. Still, vegetable proteins such as beans and nuts usually lack one or two types of essential amino acids. The idea that not eating meat will reduce the body's protein is not true. Protein deficiency among vegetarians and vegans is not very acute and dangerous. Most of them maintain a balanced protein level by following a proper diet. What do you eat to provide your body's protein needs? Feel free to share your ideas and experiences with us in the comment section below. If you enjoy the video, please share it with your friends, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel. And watch more of our unique videos on the left and right of your screen.